Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video, and summer is over here in the northern hemisphere, but I just wanted to show one more picture of the sunshine. There's Darko and I basking in the sun in Darko's backyard in Sweden a few years ago. Listen, I really hope you'll take the time to listen to this week's video thoroughly, because I have some important comments throughout it, actually more towards the end. They're absolutely critical for your trading success. They really are, and I really very confident they will help you when you hear them. After a few slightly down months, Darko's longer term trading, mostly swing trading, is back on track. Such is the way it goes in an odds game like this. You get streaks of winners, streaks of losers, everything in between, but overall, very nice profitability. In this video, I'm going to show you the trades that Darko has pointed out to our members well in advance, as always, and you'll see the outstanding results. I hope you like the video, and we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up if you do, and yeah, that'd be great. Okay, so let's just get going here. Take a look at the current situation with these longer term swing trades. Okay, so the first trade we'll look at is one that Darko pointed out to the members. It was on the Australian Canadian dollar pair, and I'll show you here. This green circle is where Darko showed them that when price was up here, where he would be looking at getting in right here. Okay, and this trade got filled. It went up really nicely. This line, by the way, is a daily, I believe, it's a daily level. You see that? This was an old level of resistance and support in here. And so, and on the 4-hour chart, of course, it's a really good level as well. So this trade needed about a 100 pip risk, but price got up over 100 pips as it went into these levels. We do not allow a loss when that happens. Okay, in fact, it's a good idea to take a little bit of profit off the table, maybe on half your position. That's just all trade management now, which varies from trader to trader, but also, not a losing trade for sure. And you got to get the risk out of it and or take profit. And it came all the way back down, stopped out. So another winning trade at the very worst break even, depending how you handled it. But good one on that one. The Euro Oz, what a beauty this one was here. That's Euro Oz. Here we go. So the Euro Oz on this one, again, Darko, before price was up in here somewhere. He was looking to buy right here, right where this green circle is. Look at this move up. I mean, that's obvious. You needed a stop of about 150 pips on this one, and it's since been up about 250 pips. Obviously a profitable trade, still going at this point. By the way, I want to say something. If you are hesitant about this kind of a trade because of the bigger stop required, there's a couple things to consider. First of all, you always adjust your lot size so that if you lose, the loss is not going to exceed a certain predetermined percentage of your account. We recommend about 0.5% risk. That keeps your capital intact. But there's something else you could do, and that is once price hits this entry level here, one thing you can do is rather than entering right away, just drop down to a smaller time frame and look for a pattern for a smaller pip risk entry. In this case, there was an entry possible with just a 65 pip risk on a smaller time frame, and what a move up. I mean, these don't always set up, but when they do, like, you might not get a smaller time frame setup. It might just hit here and go straight up. But when they do set up, like, they just set up outstanding reward risk trades. Okay, in this case, since it got up about 250 pips, that's a reward to risk of just under 4 to 1. Pretty darn sweet. Let me see. New Zealand Swissy. Here's another one. Where's New Zealand Swissy? Right here. I mean, just look at this one. This was a fantastic trade. So again, price was up. I don't know where it was up in this way, somewhere here. Darko talked about selling it right here where this red circle is. Okay. And first of all, I want to show you something. Look, this is what Darko does all the time for the members. He shows them the context of these trades. Is this going up or down? This is a monthly chart. Like, it's going straight down. Yeah, it has these rallies, but that's the way price moves. Down, up, goes down, back up. It's just the way price moves all the time on all time frames. Same as the weekly chart. And then on the daily chart, same thing. And it goes up into this level where, I mean, you just don't want to be thinking about doing any kind of buying, right? Because it's all going straight down. This trade needed a stop of about 65 pips. And what a move down it's been. I mean, it's been up about 160 pips So at this point, it's a reward risk of about 2.5 to 1, close to that, and it's still moving. So it's all about trade management as always, but no matter what, another winning trade. Nice one too. I want to say something right now for those who are considering joining our service. In the first half of this year, Darko had his best performance ever. It was phenomenal. Like with no losing months. I don't even know that there was any losing trades. I could be wrong about that, but I don't remember. But anyway, but no losing months, and I don't, and hardly any losses. If there was any, I'm not sure. And we put out videos here on YouTube showing all these great trades, and that's very attractive to people who are looking to get into trading. Well, guess what happened in August and September? August was flat. September was a losing month. Not much, but a losing month nevertheless. So for those who had just joined after seeing all those nice trades in the first half of the year, what do you think their reaction is? It's like, well, I tried and this stuff doesn't seem to work. I can't tell you how disappointing it is for us to see people join the service with high expectations, usually false expectations, and then quit after just a couple of months because they're not seeing big profits. And of course, you know what happens, right? As soon as they quit, things really take off again, like they have now, and so they miss out on all of these great moves. The reason that this happens is because of, like I say, expectations. You've just seen some great trades. We've shown all these great trades, and you want in on them. I get that. For sure you do. Everybody does. Well, the problem is the market doesn't always give us profitable trades, and we never know if the next trade is going to be profitable or not. But overall, the patterns and the setups that we use and that we teach definitely give us overall profitability. I mean, Darko's been showing these trades in advance for almost 7 years now. Okay, so a novice trader needs to embrace the fact that this is an odds game. And I know we've said this thousands of times before, but unless you truly accept losses as part of the game, you will be forever struggling. Like I really want to help you out here. I want you to understand this. You absolutely have to have a trader's mindset, which is a probability mindset for trading the Forex. Okay? So yeah, I really hope those comments help, because we'd love to have you join our service, but with the right attitude towards this business. And I know we can definitely help you in your development toward consistent profitability. Okay, well, I really hope that what I've said makes sense. The way to approach trading is to commit the time necessary to learning the strategy, right? That's the first thing. Then commit a certain amount of capital that works for you. Then it's absolutely critical that you give it enough time for the odds to assert themselves. Okay, like 1 or 2 months just won't do it. I'm sorry to say. This is just the dead honest truth about trading. So I hope it helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to get back to you. Take care and have a great weekend.